Have you ever woken up and felt like there was a sheet of fog over your eyes? That blurry, tired feeling that makes everything a little less sharp? For my patients over 60, this isn't just a frustration, it's a daily reality. The numbers on the clock are hard to read. Driving at night becomes a gamble with the glare, and the world just doesn't feel as clear or safe as it once did. It's terrifying because when you start losing clarity and contrast, you're not just aging, you're losing your independence. But here's the truth. That cloudy vision isn't just normal aging. It's a slow erosion caused by inflammation, oxidative stress, and a lack of key nutrients your eyes desperately need to repair themselves. The good news is you can fight back. Tonight, I'm going to share 4 incredibly simple bedtime snacks that work with your body's natural overnight repair cycle. These aren't miracle pills. They're simple foods that support your optic nerve, macula, and retina while you sleep. And the last one I'll share is a tiny seed with a unique compound that can dramatically boost your nighttime eye recovery. My name is Dr. Aris Thorne, and this is Senior Health Secrets. If you want to learn science-backed strategies to live stronger and longer, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Let's dive into the first healing snack for your eyes. The quiet power of Greek yogurt. Let's start with something you might not expect. A small bowl of plain Greek yogurt before bed. I know it doesn't sound like an eye treatment, but hear me out. Your gut and your eyes are far more connected than most people realize. A connection scientists now call the gut-retina axis. The health of your gut, particularly the good bacteria living there, can directly influence the health of your eyes. Greek yogurt is one of the most effective natural ways to support this connection because it's rich in probiotics. These friendly bacteria help reduce inflammation throughout your body, including in the delicate blood vessels behind your eyes. It also provides a dose of vitamin A, calcium, and zinc, all essential nutrients for maintaining the health of your retina and cornea. What makes Greek yogurt so valuable at night is how easily it digests. It won't spike your blood sugar or disrupt your sleep. Instead, it delivers steady, calming nutrition, giving your body the fuel it needs to heal. While you're sleeping, your eyes are mending tiny tears and clearing out waste. This process depends on 2 things: anti-inflammatory nutrients and deep, uninterrupted rest. Greek yogurt supports both. I had a patient, Margaret, who struggled with dry, blurry eyes every morning. She tried everything, but nothing helped. After we added a few spoonfuls of plain Greek yogurt to her nightly routine, everything changed. After 3 weeks, she said, "It's the first time in years I've woken up without that gritty, cloudy feeling." It didn't cure everything, but it gave her back her clear mornings and the confidence to walk again before sunrise. Remember to keep it plain and unsweetened. Flavored yogurts are often loaded with sugar, which can cancel out the benefits. Just a small half-cup serving an hour before bed. You can even sprinkle some cinnamon on top for extra benefits. It's easy, inexpensive, and could be the missing piece your eyes have been waiting for. Next up, a fruit you've eaten your whole life, but didn't realize was secretly protecting your eyes overnight. A banana for brighter mornings. The next snack is so common and familiar, you probably don't give it a second thought. The banana. But for those of us over 60, a simple banana before bed can do more than just curb hunger. It can help regulate pressure inside the eye, support healthy nerve function, and even improve your sleep, all of which are essential for vision repair. As we age, the fluid dynamics in our eyes can shift, sometimes leading to a buildup of intraocular pressure. This can make your vision feel puffy or foggy in the morning. This is where bananas quietly shine. They are an excellent source of potassium, a mineral that helps your body regulate fluid balance and maintain normal blood pressure, not just in your body, but within the delicate vessels around your eyes. When potassium levels are in balance, your eyes are less likely to retain excess fluid and more able to clear away the toxins that accumulate during the day. But bananas don't stop there. They also contain a natural compound called tryptophan. This helps your body produce serotonin, which then converts to melatonin, your sleep hormone. This means a banana doesn't just help your eyes directly. It helps you get the deep, restorative sleep your eyes need to repair damaged cells in the retina, cornea, and optic nerve. One of my patients, Charles, swapped his usual evening snack for half a banana. Just a few weeks later, he told me with a smile, "Doc, I'm not waking up with foggy vision anymore." That's how powerful these small changes can be. The simple step is to eat half a ripe banana about 30 minutes before bedtime. That's enough to give you the potassium, vitamin B6, and tryptophan you need without overloading you with sugar. You can even combine it with a spoonful of Greek yogurt. They complement each other beautifully. Coming up next, we're diving into one of the oldest fruits known to man, a food used for centuries to nourish and protect the eyes. Dates, the ancient powerhouse. Now let's talk about a fruit that's been cherished for over 6,000 years, the date. Dates were a symbol of vitality in ancient cultures, and it turns out they're also a powerful ally for your eyes, especially when eaten before sleep. Dates are naturally rich in polyphenols, potent plant compounds that reduce inflammation and protect cells from oxidative damage, particularly in delicate tissues like the retina. They're also loaded with vitamin A, which plays a key role in protecting the cornea and maintaining low-light vision, something many seniors struggle with, especially when night driving. But what truly makes dates special for your eyes is their high concentration of carotenoids, specifically lutein and zeaxanthin. These two pigments are stored in the macula, the part of your retina responsible for sharp central vision. They act like built-in sunglasses, filtering out harmful blue light and preventing oxidative stress. As we age, our levels of these crucial nutrients drop, contributing to cloudy vision and light sensitivity. Just 1 or 2 dates in the evening can help replenish these nutrients and reduce that morning fog. Yes, dates are sweet, but unlike refined sugar, that sweetness is paired with fiber and antioxidants, which slow down absorption and prevent a blood sugar spike. Just 1 or 2 medjool dates are not only safe but deeply nourishing. I often recommend them as a replacement for evening desserts. One of my patients, Denise, a retired florist, had almost given up night driving because of headlight glare. We started with a date or two before bed. Within a month, she told me, "I drove home from my daughter's house at 9 p.m. and felt safe for the first time in years." While the dates alone weren't the only factor, they were a key part of a consistent, gentle nourishment that supported her eyes while she slept. So if you want something sweet after dinner, don't feel guilty. Choose a fruit that's been healing eyes for centuries. Next, a tiny seed with enormous power, one that provides the antioxidants your eyes need most, especially after 60, the mighty sunflower seed. Now we've come to something small but incredibly mighty, sunflower seeds. You may have snacked on them or sprinkled them on a salad, but a small handful before bed can support some of the most important repair work your eyes do overnight. Sunflower seeds are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Your eyes are constantly under stress from light exposure and movement, which creates oxidative stress that wears down delicate tissues and contributes to blurry vision and dryness. Vitamin E helps stop that damage, neutralizing harmful free radicals and giving your eye cells a chance to repair during sleep. But vitamin E isn't the only gift in these little seeds. Sunflower seeds also provide selenium, which boosts your body's antioxidant defenses, and zinc, which helps move vitamin A to your eyes for clear night vision. Plus, they're rich in healthy fats, which help your body absorb all these nutrients more effectively while you sleep. It's like giving your eyes a care package right before they start their night shift. I often suggest this to patients with foggy or dry eyes in the morning. A simple bedtime snack of a small bowl of plain Greek yogurt, half a banana, and a spoonful of sunflower seeds on top. It's easy to digest and filled with the exact nutrients your eyes need. Just remember to choose your seeds wisely. Go for raw or dry roasted, and make sure they're unsalted. You want the pure nutrients, not the sodium or additives that can undo the benefits. I think of Harold, a 73-year-old retired mechanic. He added a light topping of sunflower seeds to his evening routine. After a few weeks, he mentioned, "Doc, I used to reach for my eye drops first thing in the morning. Now I forget they're even there." That's the kind of quiet healing we're aiming for. Because remember this, your eyes are healing every single night. The question is, are you giving them what they need to do the job? Now let me show you how to turn these 4 foods into one simple nighttime habit that takes less than 3 minutes but could help you wake up seeing clearly again. The 3-minute eye healing ritual. So you've learned about 4 incredible bedtime snacks: Greek yogurt, banana, dates, and sunflower seeds. Each one helps your eyes in a unique way, from easing inflammation and reducing pressure to restoring nutrients and helping you sleep deeper. But how do you turn this into a simple, nightly habit? That's exactly why I created what I call the 3-minute eye healing ritual. It's simple, nourishing, and incredibly easy to stick to. Here's how it works. Start with half a cup of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. This gives your body a clean source of probiotics and other essential building blocks for healing. Next, slice up half a ripe banana and lay it on top. This adds potassium to regulate fluid and tryptophan to support better sleep. If you want a touch more sweetness, add 1 or 2 pitted dates. These provide the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, which are vital for protecting your macula. To finish, sprinkle on a small spoonful of unsalted sunflower seeds. They are packed with vitamin E, selenium, and healthy fats that protect your retina from damage. That's it. No cooking, no fancy prep, just real, healing food in a bowl, ready in about 3 minutes. You can enjoy it as a light dessert after dinner or an hour before bed. Either way, it becomes a calming signal to your body. It's time to rest and repair. This isn't a miracle fix. You won't wake up tomorrow seeing in perfect HD, but give it time. Stick with this for 2 or 3 weeks, and you may start to notice real changes. Less morning blur, fewer dry eyes, clearer night vision, and a sense of calm when you wake up. This isn't just about protecting your eyes, it's about reclaiming your mornings and your independence. It's about choosing nourishment over neglect. Healing doesn't always come from pills or procedures. Sometimes it comes from a spoon, a bowl, and a few quiet moments before sleep. Your eyes haven't given up on you. They're just waiting for the right kind of support. Not surgery or expensive treatments, but simple nourishment given at the right time. Greek yogurt, half a banana, a soft date, a sprinkle of sunflower seeds. It's not magic, it's biology. It's giving your eyes the exact materials they need to repair themselves while you sleep. I've seen this happen with so many of my patients. The difference isn't always dramatic at first, but after a few weeks, they start waking up with less fog, more clarity, and the confidence to read and drive again. And they all say the same thing. I didn't realize how much I was missing until it started to come back. You deserve that too. Before we wrap up, I want to thank you for spending this time with me today. If this video gave you something helpful or hopeful, please like it and share it with someone you care about. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing, because every week we explore natural ways to stay strong, sharp, and independent as we age. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Tell me, which of these bedtime snacks are you most excited to try? Or do you already have a nighttime habit that helps your vision? Your story might just inspire someone else. Until next time, I'm Dr. Aris Thorne. Take care of yourself and sleep well tonight.